Sit. Sit, Scamps. Here. Wake him up, Ronan. Wake him up. Wake up, Scamps. Pet him on the back. Good. He likes that. Gentle. Sit, Scamps. Sit. Sit, Scamps. Scamps, sit. Oh, he likes it when you pet him. Good, gentle touching. Yeah, that's a nice boy. You like having your own puppy, eh? Yeah. Here, let's make him sit up. I don't know what he's doing. Here. Maybe he's hungry. There, nice petting. You want to turn him over? Make him roll over. Roll over, Scamps. Roll over. Are you going to give him a kiss? Is he a good dog? What's he doing? Here, I have an idea. I think he's broken. He's gone crazy. Scamp, sit up. Sit. Sit.